YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Demograffix, aka Dirty Dems, and today I'm in Luton and it's one of the hottest days of the year. It's like over 40 degrees. Apparently you could fry an egg on the pavement. I'm over here in Luton today and I'm painting the Legends MMA GYM. Right, so I'm about to start spray painting and I'm going to start with a doodle grid. I'm already sweating, it's really hot weather today. But yeah, I've got the extractor fan and everything masked off now, so I'm ready to go. So I've now got the doodle grid on the wall and I'm about to start sketching up the design. So the design is right here and it's what the client has requested. They want to tie it in with the red and black theme that they've got going on in the gym. Okay, so got the sketch on behind me. Just go up here, you can see it a bit better. See it from the top of the stairs. Welcome to Legends MMA, and I'm about to start colouring it in. Okay, so I've got the Legends on there now. It's looking good. Over halfway, just got the MMA to fill in red and white, and then we're nearly done. So yeah, making good progress. So that's it, we got to the end of the video. Welcome to Legends MMA. It's looking all fresh. It's quite hard, I think because of the heat. The spray cans were spitting a bit, so it's getting a bit splattery, but I've managed to keep it as crisp as I can, as tidy as possible. And to anybody who's new to the channel, don't forget to check out some of my other videos. We've got lots of stuff on there, everything ranging from comics to toys to BMX builds, all sorts of things, community murals, trainer reviews. So go check out some of my other videos and subscribe to this channel. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.